The following video will guide you through the basic steps for installing your Blomberg freestanding dishwasher. Further information on these steps can be found in the operation manual and should be referred to in conjunction with this video. If you need assistance with any of this, please consult a competent professional or our customer service department for advice. When the appliance is delivered, it will have a plastic wrap and protective material around the edges. Your appliance will come with the following parts: cutlery basket, water hardness test strip, salt funnel, sound reduction strip, and an operation manual. We suggest that you read the entire operation manual and any accompanying information before the appliance is put into use. Looking at the front of the appliance, you'll find the control panel and loading door. Looking inside, you can see the rinse aid dispenser, detergent dispenser, baskets, salt pot, filters, and spray arms. Looking at the rear of the appliance, you'll find the mains cable, drain hose, and the water inlet hose. Your dishwasher may come with a sound reduction strip. This is self-adhesive and can be attached to the base of the dishwasher to help reduce sound levels during operation. The power supply, drain point, and the mains water supply should also be within easy reach. The appliance should not be installed in an environment where there is a risk of freezing. Blomberg appliances operate using cold water only. If your previous appliance used both hot and cold water, the hot should be turned off. If hot water is used, it may cause the appliance to malfunction. One end of the water inlet hose already comes connected to the dishwasher. The other must be connected to the cold water tap. Check that there is a rubber seal within, then, using hand-tight pressure only, connect to the cold tap. Once connected, open the tap fully and check both ends for leaks. The drain hose should be connected to the waste pipe. If you're using a sink trap under a basin for the first time, you must ensure that the spigot plug and, if fitted, the blanking cap have been removed. On some sink traps, you may need to cut the spigot to ensure the wastewater can travel freely into the drain. The spigot itself should be pointing in an upwards direction and the hose secured to it. If using a standpipe, the highest point of the drain hose must be between 50 to 110 centimeters from the floor. Insert the hose to a length of 20 to 25 centimeters. To ensure that the appliance operates correctly and that the door closes properly and doesn't leak, it must stand level and firmly on all 4 feet. To achieve this, adjust the feet as required. The 13-amp plug can then be plugged into the power supply and the power switched on. Hard water will leave watermarks on your dishes. Therefore, to determine the water hardness level and neutralize this, use the test strip provided. Remove the test strip and briefly dip it into freshly drawn water. Remove, shake, then wait for a minute and view the results. The water hardness level can then be set according to the results shown. As this procedure changes from model to model, please refer to the specific manual for details on this. The salt container is located inside, on the base of the appliance. Remove the lid by turning in a counterclockwise direction and, before first use, pour water into the salt container using the funnel provided until full. At this stage, up to 2 kilograms of dishwasher salt should also be added to the salt pot. With the salt funnel still in situ, pour the salt into the pot. Once completed, refit the lid. Rinse aid increases the drying efficiency and helps prevent watermarks. It's added to the rinse aid container, which sits inside the door. Press the button on the top to release, then fill until the max level is reached. The dispenser dose can then be adjusted using the regulator. The lower the setting, the smaller the amount dispensed. Remember to wipe any spillages and close the door once complete. Finally, run a short program without any dishes inside to ensure that the water fills and drains from the appliance and that any salt spillages are cleared. Should you encounter problems with this, check that the hoses have not become kinked or twisted. This is also a good time to recheck for evidence of any leakage. If you have any questions regarding this installation, please feel free to contact our customer service team with the model and serial number of the product, and they will be happy to assist.